Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius, DariusCooks.tv, and let me tell you something. I love a good lobster. I also love anything buttermilk fried, so I figure why not throw it together and do a little bit of buttermilk fried lobster. It happens to be from a very popular restaurant. You may have heard of it, Soul Crab. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and it is very simple to do. So I'm going to start with 4 lobster tails that I'm just going to split in half. So we have our 4 split lobster tails, and then we'll do a light seasoning of a little bit of kosher salt. Then I'm going to toss in a little bit of Cajun seasoning, your favorite kind, onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, lots of fresh cracked black pepper. And then to bring this whole thing together, I've got some buttermilk that we will just lather and put right on top, just like this. Because I really want to mix this together really, really well, just to make sure all of the flavors are in every nook and cranny. So to go along with our buttermilk fried lobster, I do want to do a little bit of a dirty rice, but I'm going to do mine with a little variation with ground chicken. So to get started, I'm going to drop in some olive oil into a hot skillet, and then I've got some onion, bell pepper, and celery. You got to do its cousin, garlic. So I got some garlic that I just chopped up and put in the food processor, and then we'll give that a good stir. Then into this, I've got some ground chicken. You could use any ground meat that you like, but I just feel like ground chicken will be really good with this. And if your pan is a little dry like mine is, just add a little bit more oil. All right, and let's season this up now. First is a little bit of poultry seasoning. Then I've got herbs de Provence, a little chicken bouillon. All right, and then we'll give that a good mix. You need a kick, so I've got some cayenne, because after all, this is a dirty rice and you gotta spice it up a little bit. You know what I mean? All right, now let's throw in some rice, because now our chicken is like just about cooked out, just about done. I could smell all those spices and herbs hanging out. All right, so after the rice has had a chance to toast up like this, you could add stock, but we added that chicken bouillon, so we're just gonna add water and let it cook out just like that. And then as soon as that liquid cooks out, we'll put a lid on it, and we're gonna have perfect dirty rice. All right, so you know how to test and see if the oil is hot. You just put a little bit of flour right in there, and if it bubbles like that, we on to something, you see? So I have my lobster, shake off the excess, and then this goes right into that hot oil. The thing is, you don't want to overcook the lobster, so just till it turns golden brown is all you need. All right, so I just picked up some fresh parsley, because I feel like if I'm gonna do the dirty rice, it just needs a nice fresh element. Look at that. We're gonna make a really quick lemon aioli, because I feel like every time you have something crispy and crunchy that you fried in buttermilk, you need something to dip it in that's nice and creamy. So I'm gonna start with some really good mayo, and then I'm gonna drop in some lemon juice. I've got a little bit of lemon pepper, and then this just gets a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. What we'll do is we'll just break up the mayo and the lemon juice, and now we have aioli. Come on now. It's a little hot. Okay. The seafood is kind of sweet with that lovely acid from the lemon aioli. It is really, really good. You will not regret it one bit. Now, recipes like this, you know what they're going to be on the website, DariusCooks.tv. There's 2 things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I got to wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.